Hi, this is Vikas Rajpurohit. In this video, we are going to discuss data analytics project GoodCabs Analysis. So this is a resume project challenge from Code Basics. I will share this link in the description also. You can go through the link and check out the project details. So I have already downloaded all the required files. So in this, we are given all these files. So we will go through the problem statement. So this is about the general description about the problem statement. We need to provide insights to the chief of operation in transportation domain. Basically, this is a transportation and mobility domain related problem. So in this, GoodCabs, a cab service company established 2 years ago, has gained a strong foothold in the Indian market by focusing on tier 2 cities. Unlike other cab services providers, GoodCabs is committed to supporting local drivers, helping them make a sustainable living in their hometowns while ensuring excellent service to passengers. With operation in 10 Tier 2 cities across India, GoodCabs has set ambitious performance target for 24 to drive growth and improve passenger satisfaction. As a part of this initiative, GoodCabs management team aims to assess the company's performance across key metrics including trip volume, passenger satisfaction, repeat passenger rate, trip distribution, and the balance between new and repeat passenger. So this is the key information, and all this is general description or general information regarding the company and the problem statement. We need to go through this and check out the what task is assigned to us. So in this, it is mentioned that go through the metadata, analyze the data sets thoroughly. This is the most fundamental steps. We will go through the metadata also, and after that, begin your analysis by referring to the primary and secondary questions PDF. You can use any tool. So let me just open this file. So we have this primary and secondary questions. So these are the questions we need to answer to the management. So in this, we need to find top and bottom performing cities, average fare per trip by city, average rating by city and passenger type, and all these questions we need to answer. And apart from this, we can use any tool. So in this project, we will use SQL. Later, we will also solve the same problem with Power BI as well. And after that, another instruction is design a dashboard with your metrics and analysis. The dashboard should be self-explanatory and easy to understand. So we also need to create this dashboard in Power BI to answer these questions also. Also, it is mentioned that check ad hoc request. This document include important business questions requiring SQL-based report generation. So in this, we need to answer important business questions. This is mentioned as ad hoc request. So it is mentioned in this that start by importing trips database and target database into my SQL workbench, craft SQL query, address specific business queries, save these queries in SQL file and upload it to GitHub. Share GitHub link to the including query output in the presentation. Okay, so these are the business questions we need to answer. So basically, these are similar questions to the primary and secondary analysis only. And apart from this, all these are the general instruction given to the and so now we will go through the data set, that what data set is given to us. And before that, let me just check this. So in this, we have also these are the general instruction given that how we can start our project. And in the data set, we have two files, CVS files. All these CVS files, we need to just load these files into Power BI. And this database, this is the database. I have already created this GoodCabs Analysis SQL file, but these are the two database files given to us, trips and DB, trips DB and target DB. Now we will just go through our metadata. We will just open this file and This is the all information regarding the trip data and target DB, and here target DB is given. We can check out one by one all these columns, what all these columns are, and I will just open this file I have. Let me just load the data. Here I have already loaded and solved this, so let me just quick open new file, and first I will just delete this current data. I will just drop schema and I will load it again. Okay, so now to load your data in MySQL, you just need to go to server, then go to data import, and just click on this import from self-contained files, and we just need to give the file path that where our files are located. So these are our files, so I will just click on this. I will just load one by one. Just click on this, and you just and I will just click on start. So start import is here. Sometimes it is just hide behind this, so I will just click on start import, and this is just importing our data, and it will take some time. Okay, so now data has been loaded, and I will just click on refresh, and this data is here. I will load again that target DB also. I will just click on import data. Okay, so disk is already here from disk, and I will just give path again to our target DB. So just import, and I will just click on start import. Okay, data is loaded. I will just refresh this, and we have our data. I will just close this tab, and I have this new query tab. So here we have just tables. All these tables are given in this. So I will just open this dim city. So in dim city we have city ID and city name. So we will just go through our metadata, that what exactly these columns are. Although these are self-explanatory, but still we will go through this. So this is dim city. What is this table? The purpose of this table is this table provides city specific details, enabling location based analysis of trips and passenger behavior across GoodCabs operations area. Okay, so city ID, it is a unique identifier for each city using standard code. Example is given RJ01 for Jaipur. And city name, obviously this is a city name where GoodCab operates. Apart from this, we have another table. This is date. This is also self-explanatory. We have this date and start month starting from 1 only, and then month name, day type. Then we have next table. This is, so in this table we have month, city ID. So we see that we have this city ID is common here also in city, dim city, and this repeat trip distribution. So we can whenever we will need to join this, then we will join by city ID. And apart from this, we have another table. Next table is fact passenger. Fact passenger summary. In fact passenger summary, we see this month. Month is also common. Month and city ID we see in every table. These two are common. Then total passengers, new passenger, and repeat passengers data is given. Apart from this, we have another table, that is fact trips. So this include individual trip ID. This is a unique trip ID. We can also go through our metadata for fact trip. So we will just go to, this is our fact trip. What is the purpose of this? This table provides detailed information on each individual trip. This is providing each individual trip information, including trip specific metrics like distance, fare, and rating, which can be used for granular trip level analysis. Okay, so trip ID, this is unique. Again, this is unique ID. Date, we already know this is extract the exact date of the trip. Okay, and city ID, that is unique, present in all the tables. Passenger type indicates if the passenger is new or repeat passenger, and all other general information we can get idea with column name only. So this passenger type, repeat new, distance traveled in kilometer, fare, then passenger rating, then driver rating. All this information we have, and after that we will check this target DB, target database. So in this we also have different tables. So first we will go through this. So this table we have CTID, again unique ID common in all the tables. Then target average passenger rating. Okay, this is the average passenger rating. Then we will open the next table. So in this table we have month. Again, this is common. Month, CTID, total new passenger information is given. And after that we have this last table. This is monthly target trips. So this data is monthly, and again total target trips information is given. So that is all in this video. In next video we will start our analysis. Thank you.